Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a review from LuvMe Hair. Today's wig is going to be a 13 by 6 side part bob. This wig has 2 clips on the side, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. Also included is a strap to make this wig glueless, and we're going to use it today. Once I adjusted the straps just like I like it, I applied it to my head. Right here, I'm just making sure that the wig fits just like I like it. Once the wig fits just like I like it, I'll start by cutting my ear tabs. I'll cut that extra lace off. Once we have that lace cut, we're going to start by doing 2 slits in the middle of the lace. This just gives us better control over our lace. Now, once we have that done, we're going to go in a zigzag motion around the hairline. And guys, we're not going to use any glue on this install. So instead of using glue, we're going to use the Gots to Be Free spray. I'm using this spray because I don't want like a long hold this time. I just want something for maybe like 2 days or so. And with the free spray, we're just going to work in sections until we have the whole entire frontal laid. Okay, so once we laid that lace down, it's time to add some baby hairs. And guys, y'all know I like my baby hairs what? Natural. So we created just the little baby hairs. And so once I created my baby hairs, I went ahead and started styling the wig. And right here, I'm just going to use my wax stick and my electric straightening comb to lay down my flyaways. So what do you guys think? I'm loving this look. But wait guys, I'm going to try to do a middle part and see what that looks like. Yes guys, I'm feeling this look too. And guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you hit the like button and smash that notification bell.